Happy 25th anniversary!
Tito Vic and Tita Claire, we wish you best in life, career, and relationship, and we love you.
Hi Tito Vic, hi Tita Claire. We're so happy that you're celebrating your 25 years together and um, we hope that you will have 25 more anniversaries to come and we love you and we miss you. Mwah.
Hi Tita Claire, hi Tito Vic, we miss you a lot. Wish we're there to celebrate with you. We're looking forward to your visit here in Georgia for our reunion. I love you so much. God bless you.
Hi, Vic and Claire. Thanks for everything, for what you have done to me and my children. Um, that you're such a blessing to us, and we love you. We miss you. Hope we were there to celebrate with you.
Hope to see you in Georgia.